So full time here at Connah's Quay is Connah's Quay 2 over 1 of your margin Nev Powell. Nev, you must be disappointed, but pleased with some aspects of that game.
Well, for an away performance, it was really good. You know, we had a game plan. Started brightly first half an hour, and you know we've conceded 2 poor goals. You know, if you switch off against full time teams, you're going to get punished, and we've done it twice, and they punished us. But you know, we set out second half to get back into the game, and we were probably the better side. You know, we should have got a point out of the game in the end with Declan missing the penalty, and you know, we controlled large parts of the game, but unfortunately we don't. You know, it's all about getting points, and as you say, we're disappointed really that we didn't get nothing from the game.
So there are plenty of positives to look forward to. There's plenty of left to play for in the big game against Connah next week.
Well, we always said, you know, against the top 3 or 4 teams, they're almost free games, aren't they? Where you can come here and you can go and play, and as you say, we've got a big game against Llanelli coming up. So disappointed tonight, especially. We were bare bones there tonight with the injuries and the players available, but the lads have put a great shift in. I couldn't have asked any more from any of the players on the pitch, and we finished the game strong against a full-time team, so the fitness levels are good, and really on another night we could have gone and got a point which we probably deserved over the 90 minutes. So get their heads up. League Cup game Tuesday, big game against Llanelli next Friday, so big week ahead for us.
Nev, many thanks for your time.